Hello friends, today I am going to prepare Gangabailakura. I have taken a cup of Thur dal, Kandipappu, 8 to 10 cut green chilies, 2 onions coarsely chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, salt for taste, Asofoedita, Thalimppu Vadiyum for seasoning, curry leaves and dry chilies for seasoning, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera, garlic pods about 15 to 20 and tamarind. I have thoroughly washed the Thur dal and put sufficient water for boiling. I am going to add the tomatoes, the onions, the green chilies, the garlic, the turmeric powder, Gangabailakura, about 2 spoons of oil, I am going to pressure cook this for about 4 to 5 whistles. It has cooked well. I am adding about 2 spoons of salt, then smashing it. I am going to add the tamarind pulp into it and give it a mix. If the oil is hot, just put the vadiyum into it. Give it a little fry, just for 2 seconds. Then break the chilies, dry chilies into it. Now I am adding the curry leaves. I am adding this to the dal. Just give it a mix. Gangabailakura is ready. You too try it at your homes. You would definitely like the dish.
Like, share, subscribe.